there's 200% probability that you have to detox yourself before you eliminate toxic people from your life. I'm Swati and you're listening to Bakchori. So guys, aaj ki bakar is on things you should stop doing right away, and I'm going to cover on 5 things you should stop doing right away. But before that, I would like to add a disclaimer that these are the things I feel, so I'm allowed to say them on my podcast. I'm not a guru, but I just want to share based on my observation. So coming back to the first thing that we should stop doing in order to succeed in our life. First lesson, stop comparing your life to others. It's your life, live it your way. Things you see on the internet is not real. Yes, it's not real. We are surrounded with lots of fake things, insecurities, hatred, also love. But the point to where the hate and the insecurities influence us so much, sometimes it overshadows the love. So the first thing you should stop doing is stop comparing your life with others. Come on, it's your life, make it large. You must have heard it so many times. Lesson number 2. Confidence overshadows sorrows. So if you are made fun of, put down upon, mocked upon, or humiliated, don't let it come into your way of success. Make it your fuel to succeed. Take it as a challenge, and not to prove to others, but to just pump up yourself. See, you have 2 choices when you face such things. Either you sit, repent, cry, or you do something about it. So when you do something about it, that's where you get up and collect yourself and do something for your life. I'm sure you would have seen or heard so many people who have done inspirational things. None of their stories were easy. All the stories starts with, I was humiliated, I was put down, I was feeling depressed, I had nothing to do, I was confused. And that's where the story begins. Lesson number 3, gratitude and not attitude. I'm sure this is the hashtag which is very popular on Instagram. It's just not a hashtag, guys. Hash. I'm just fumbling. I'm sorry. It's just not a hashtag. It means a lot. मैं आपको समझाती हूँ. Gratitude and not attitude means अगर आपके पास कुछ है जिसके लिए आपको खुशी होती है, if you are blessed with things in your life you are proud of, आप जो भी हैं, you should be very much thankful to the universe for it. The moment you have attitude of what you have and you show that attitude to someone or generally, you would eventually see that thing goes away from you very easily. And it's not just a saying, it means it has proven stories. It has so many case studies when you must have heard it from your parents, your teachers, or anyone who influences you or part of your life, that you should be thankful. When we go back to I know this is a little bit of mythology, but we go back to our mythology characters like Ram, Lakshman, all the Mahabharat characters. You can only learn from Ramayana and Mahabharata is that you have to be humble, grounded, no matter how powerful you are. I must be missing on many examples that I should be giving now, but I'm sure you are already filled up, and this is the most common thing you would have been experiencing this in your life. Either by seeing someone who has failed by this attitude or hurt someone. In any case, you know it, right? You know the drill. Lesson number 4. detox your life. And when I say detox your life, I'm not talking about lemon water. I'm not talking about alkalining yourself or your body. I am talking about detoxing your life first before detoxing the toxic people from your life. I know it sounds like a tongue twister, but let me clarify it for you. You have to detox your life, take out all the unnecessary tensions, unnecessary worries, depression and sadness from your life. I know it's not easy said than done, but you have to do it. And the moment and the steps which you can do it is, first you can eliminate all the toxic people from your life. And by toxic people I mean people जो लोग आपको खुशी नहीं देते हैं, जो लोग आपको खुश नहीं रख सकते, जो लोग आपको नीचा दिखाते हैं, या they have been involved in putting you down every time, or in any form you're not happy being with that person. Story over. Eliminate them. Do not crib all the time. You have to take out that toxic energy from your body. Do something about it. Go for a run, listen to music. You have no idea what music can do. So do something. You do workout, you do whatsoever you feel like. You do something that makes you happy. Take out your hobby or a skill. Just do it. But just detox your life. And the last lesson, number 5. Spend more time with yourself. Yes, you heard it right. Spend more time with yourself means also you can spend time with people who can also make you happy. So, just like I said it before, that we live in a fake and insecure world. The only thing which will save you from being insane is to zone out. Yes, zoning out is absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine to be not productive. It's absolutely fine to be doing nothing. And it's absolutely fine for being yourself. Just zone out. When you think, when it becomes overwhelming, zone out. When you think you can't do it, zone out. When you think things are taking toll on your life and you are going hayway, zone out. By zoning out, I mean, मेरा मतलब है कि आप एक स्पेस क्रिएट कीजिए अपनी लाइफ में जिसमें बस आप हो, आपके विजन्स हो, आपके मिशंस हो, आपके डिज़ायर्स हो, आपके ड्रीम्स हो, आपके टैलेंट हो, आपकी स्किल हो, बस यू एंड योरसेल्फ. Or you can add people who make you happy. But my experience would be if you're not a people-pleasing person, look, I'm not a people-pleasing person, nor I am a too much people person. So I have a set of friends, I have a set of circle who I turn to when I need them, and when they need them, I'm there. I turn to them when I need to. So I have those set of friends. I do not need to go out every day and give that smile fake face and basically do something which you are not. So I can't do this. I like to be myself. I like to do nothing but just lying on the bed and watching, maybe binging on some movies or reading something or just listening to music. Music is everything for me. Music turns my day out, turns a bad day into a very good day, a bad mood to an awesome mood. So it does that for me, and I'm sure it does many things for you too. So just zone out. So once again, I'll just 5 things that you should be stopping is stop comparing your life to others. Lesson 1. Lesson 2, confidence overshadows sorrows. So you have to be confident. Have you heard this? Zindagi jhand hai fir bhi ghamand hai. It's just like that. Even if you're feeling the worst in your day, just be confident. Be confident. You will come out of it. There's light after every tunnel, and you will shine. Lesson number 3, gratitude and not attitude. Lesson number 4, detox your life and toxic people from your life. 5, spend more time with yourself. Oh my god, I'm fumbling, I'm sorry. Spend more time with yourself or people who make you happy. So thank you for listening, and I wish you all good health and much more. Stay home, stay safe. Good night and bye-bye.